Hi there folks, I'm here at a part of Naples. It's called Mercato and it's a pretty neat area here in North Naples where we have many cool stores, great shopping. You have everything from Whole Foods, Nordstrom's. There's a huge array of businesses and there's many properties that are for sale, and we have a way of getting you a link to all the virtual tours. If you click on this link below here, we can send you a list of available properties, and from that list then we can send you a virtual tour for any of them. My name is Barry Hoey. I'm a realtor with the Hoey team, brokered by eXp Realty, and my partner Kim and I, we work full-time here in Naples, based in Naples, and we serve all of Southwest Florida. If you want to, you can text us. If you text Mercato to 239-360-5527, you'll get the same information, but to click the link is probably the easiest way. Anyway, we'll chat to you later and be safe wherever you are. Alrighty, bye.